Today I'm gonna give you Mark's homemade grape jam. So now, storage, always allow it to cool down first, right? Write it down. Any jam, not only grape jam, strawberry jam, pineapple jam, any jam for that matter. Always let it cool down. After it is cooled down, then only you bottle it. If it is hot and you put into your bottle, that's it. Alright, that's it. Your jam is going to spoil. Alright, so don't do that. Let it cool down. Alright, now soon as it's cooled down, get yourself a glass container or a glass jug. Don't use plastic. Step 3. Refrigerate your jam. Refrigerate your jam. That's all. 3 simple steps when it comes to storage. Every time when you're going to be eating your jam, always make sure that you are using a dry spoon. How long can you keep this? 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Alright, that's all. 2 weeks. Okay, so you can't keep this more than 2 weeks. I would not recommend that because it will compromise the texture. Consume it within 2 weeks. Okay, and by the way, let me show you this, how thick this jam is. Look at this. No starch, no sugar, no nonsense, everything real. Oh my god, this is so nice.